I've got clients to call. I got orders to fill. I've got walls to build. I've got riots to quell. And they're giving me hell back in the 80s. Hey, little songbird, can't got you done. Always a pity for one so pretty and young. When poverty comes to clip your wings and knock the wind right out of your lungs. Hey, nobody sings on that day.
Strange is the call of the stranger. I wanna fly down, feet and hands. I wanna lie soft, place to land. I wanna lie down.
Hey, little songbird, you got something fine. You shine like a diamond down in the mine. And the choice is yours if you're willing to choose. Seeing as you've got nothing to lose, and I could use a canary.
Suddenly nothing is as it was. Where are you now? Oh, yes. Wasn't it gonna be two of us? Were we birds of a feather?
Hey, little songbird, let me guess. He's some kind of poet, and he's 30 letters. Give him your hand, he'll give you his hand, 2 miles. He writes you a poem when the power is out. Hey, why not fly south for the winter? Hey, little songbird, look all around you. See how the lighters and vultures surround you. They'll take you down, down, pick you clean. If you stick around such a desperate scene, see people get mean when the chips are down.
Songbird versus Rabbits.
What is it?
Eurydice was 100
I can't ignore. Oh, yes, I'm hungry. Oh, my heart, it aches to stay, but the flesh will have its way. Oh, the way is dark and long. I'm already I'm gone. Go ahead and lay the blame. Talk of virtue, talk of sin. Wouldn't you have done the same? In her shoes, in her skin, you can have your winter boy.